Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Taruneet Kaur. I hope you're all doing well. So today's video is an unboxing of this January month's Euphorbia box. Yes, but before getting into the video, if you didn't subscribe to my channel, do hit the subscribe button, the red color button which is subscribe. Do hit that, and next to that there is a bell icon as well. Hit that so that whenever I posted a new video, you will get notified and you can watch my videos on the same time. So now let's just unbox this January month's Euphorbia box. So it comes in this kind of cardboard packaging, and on the top it says Euphorbia box. And when I'm going to open this one, it's very hard. So when I'm going to open this is how the products comes up, and I'm going to show it to you one by one. Yes, so firstly I have this card. This is the January Euphorbia box, and all the products are written here, whatever I received with the prices. So firstly I got my eyes on these beautiful earrings. Let me just open it. So these are the red thread Afghani earrings, and these are so beautiful. I'm just going to wear it right now. Yes. Oh wow, how beautiful. It looks very beautiful, and the color, everything is so beautiful. This is how it looks like. As you can see, it's so beautiful. So the next product that I have is the Bio Gold Collagen Eye Mask. So this is the eye mask that I received. This is the second product. The next product that I received is this lip balm. This is the Good Soap Spice and Orange Anti-Chapped Lip Balm. So this is a lip balm, and it smells like, seriously, like an orange. Yes, so this is the third product. And the next product that I received is this mascara from Wellll, that is Matte Look Lashes Push-Up Mascara, and this is the waterproof mascara. It comes in this kind of packaging, and I'm going to open it for you because the main thing in the mascara that we see is the wand, right? So I'm going to see that now. Okay, the wand is very thick, and I think this will prove as a good mascara. I'm surely going to use this one, and this is a 11 ml product. Yes, and okay, and this retails for $3.99, and this Bio Collagen mask retails for $200. Yes, and this lip balm retails for $175. These beautiful earrings retails for $345. And lastly, the product that I received is this bath salt. I already received this product, I think, in my fab bag. I already have this product. So this is a bath salt from Good Soap Ocean Breeze, and this retails for $2.99. and the ingredients that it has is combination of salts, Epsom salt, Ocean Breeze, fragrance oil, edible color. And this is a 70-gram product. So this is the last product that I received. So I received 5 products in this Euphorbia box, and let me tell you the price of the Euphorbia box. This retails only for 248 rupees. This is the cheapest subscription box that I have till now. They have a very good plan, like for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, I think for 12 months as well they have. And if you want to know anything more about the Euphorbia box, I'm going to link it down in the description box. Do check the description box, and if you want to buy the subscription box, I'm going to link that as well in the description box. So please do check the description box for the details of the products as well. I already told you all the things, but I'm going to leave it in the description box as well. So do check that, and if you like the video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It's free, guys. There are no charges for subscribing my channel. So do hit the subscribe button and share this video to your friends. And that's it for today, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.